Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Spark Driver account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your Spark Driver account because maybe you're no longer using it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Spark Driver app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Settings, and then from here, click on Manage Account. So you're going to see this button here that says Delete Account, but do make sure that this is a button that you want to press because it's permanently going to remove you from the Spark Driver platform. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Spark Driver account. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.